Greetings and hello, Tony Coleman Brown here. And in this video, I'm going to tell you who I am and why I created this Getting Started course. So let's just jump right in. So my name is Tony Coleman Brown. I'm a wife, I'm a mom, I'm a coach, a course creator, and an entrepreneur. I am the founder of the Network for Women in Business, which grew into a six-figure membership organization before I stopped taking on any new members. The past years, I've spent many of them side hustling, pouring into others, and providing a lot of value. And eventually I got burnt out. So I spent the last year reconnecting with family and friends, traveling and investing. And I invested in remodeling my house. I also invested in stocks, cryptocurrency, but most importantly, I invested in my own mental health and well-being. So both physically and mentally and financially, it probably has been one of the best years of my life. I dropped about 30 pounds or more, and I paid off a lot of bills, and I still maintain monthly recurring income. So I decided that I wanted to relaunch the membership, but this time relaunch it with a stronger foundation, which is why I created Optimize Pro, which is powered by Go High Level. I created this and I actually wanted to white label this software because I wanted to help entrepreneurs, and I also wanted to decrease churn in my membership. Because while the coaching has been great and I know that people have loved it, at the end of the day, I knew I needed a tool or something where I can help my entrepreneurs on a deeper level and really and truly help them to grow a profitable business that they deserve. So let's just get right into what some of the general problems have been that I've seen with people who utilize software tools like Go High Level and Optimize Pro. First, with any technology, most of the time in the beginning, there's a steep learning curve. And what I've found is that most people, when they first get into High Level or Optimize Pro, they struggle to figure out where to start. They struggle to figure out what feature to focus on or how to integrate everything very smoothly with their business. And oftentimes they spend hours and hours Googling or YouTubing answers or waiting on chat support to help them instead of focusing on their business growth. I have to say that High Level is an amazing tool, but the support is just not that great. So one of the reasons why I wanted to white label it is because I really wanted to work with my entrepreneurs on a very closer level, and I really wanted to be able to help them set up their business and grow their business. So for the most part, a lot of users also struggle with setting up their workflows. They usually set them up wrong and they spend hours trying to fix it. And sometimes this can hurt your small business performance. And then also they can set up emails wrong and then they tend to go to spam. And then sometimes your business can get tagged as a spam business, or your text messages can get tagged as spam, and that causes a whole other different type of issue. The other problem that I found is that a lot of people, when they first get started with Go High Level, they lack a lot of support. Like I said before, the support is not the best. It is 24 hours, but sometimes it can be difficult because a lot of times there can be language barriers, or sometimes the text may not be properly trained. So you may have a problem and they may not 100% know how to answer it. And so there are a lot of people that are selling solutions, because what ended up happening, I think, with Go High Level, and I think they want it this way because they want their users to be able to grow profitable businesses. And if growing a profitable business means that you can fill in some of the gaps that Go High Level has, then what they tend to do is they feel like this. We're going to work on creating the software and making it as dynamic as possible. We're going to work on creating features and adding features that's going to make you money. And then to the other third party solutions that are out there, you go ahead and make money providing those solutions. So what you may find when you first become a Go High Level user is that you find people selling a lot of snapshots, people selling a lot of coaching programs or support, or they are selling web development services. Sometimes they sell services to help you set up your business or set up your ads and ads creations, or ad creation services, I should say. Or sometimes they have their own Go High Level events to help you market, onboard new clients, retain your clients, and scale your business, and so much more. There's so many people out there selling solutions either through courses or coaching or done for you solutions that relates to Go High Level, because they're maintaining the business of keeping a wonderful and powerful tool while the others are in the business of helping you to support and helping you get started. So I created this course. It's free of charge because I know that sometimes it can be hard to know who you could even listen to and who you can trust. And also, a lot of the third party solutions are very expensive. And so your monthly fee can easily blow up and balloon to thousands of dollars, especially if you listen to the wrong person or you purchase the wrong course. Now, if you're anything like me, I am from the South. I'm originally from New Orleans, Louisiana, and we have a certain way about us. And I'm not one of those types of people that you will find that talks really fast. A lot of people that are in the tech space, they talk really fast, and sometimes when you watch YouTube videos, you may not be able to catch everything that they're doing. I don't know whether they speed them up on purpose, but this is annoying to me and this does not help me learn. So I like to really go slow, and I like to take my time, and I really like to help you to understand. Even oftentimes, I'll say the same thing 2 or 3 times and try to say it differently so that it sticks. And I try to use the 3 modes of learning, which is seeing it, hearing it, and then also doing it. So I want you to do it, see it, and hear it, and that way it can stick. So pretty much with me, what you're going to get is someone who will take their time and will help you to understand in a way that you can really get it and it can really stick. And also, I want to provide a lot of value, not necessarily so that you can give more money to me, but so that you can make more money. And I think that that's a 1 degree shift with regards to how you may see this done with others in the industry. So, my solution is this. This course is my solution to all of that. I say, and I've said it before, I'll say it again. I'm a natural helper by instinct. A lot of my friends even call me Tech Teacher Tony, and that's because they like the way I break down the tech. They like the way that I break information down because I help them to understand. So basically, with this course, I want you to really get started right away, and I want you to get started the right way. And there is a difference because, I can tell you a multitude of things. I can tell you, you can sell this, you can sell websites, you can sell missed call text back, you can sell reputation management, you can sell social media planning, you can sell all of that. You can do all of those things with this particular tool. But I'm not going to tell you to do all of those things. I am going to really do this in a different way that will work for you and your business as it exists now, and will work for you in your business as you would like to see it exist in the future. So, for the most part, as a new user to the software, you can end up chasing so many shiny objects that you really and truly get confused, right? You might get confused. You might end up spending months and months and months trying to figure things out. and paying the monthly fee, but not generating any income to cover the monthly fee. So, really and truly, the goal of this course is to help you get started the right way, to help you get started right away, but also to help you get started making money as fast as possible, and to help you to build the business that you've always dreamed about. And I know that you can do this. I know that you can get it done. So, my next question to you, or my next task to you, really and truly, is let's get started. Let's get started doing this. So if you're watching this video on YouTube, you may be thinking about going with Go High Level. You already may be a user of Go High Level. You might want to upgrade, or you might want to take a trial. So you can click on the link below to take a free trial, or you can upgrade with me if you choose to. If not, that's fine. But if you're already a member of the Network for Women in Business and you're using Optimize Pro, really and truly, this course was also made for you so that you can really understand and get started utilizing this tool the right way, and you can get started making money as soon as possible. So let's get into it. I'll see you on the next video.